Hello friends and welcome to your Spanish Corner. In this video we are going to learn how to pronounce the Spanish consonants S-Z-L-Ñ. So let's get started. Letra S. In English there are voiced and unvoiced S sounds. That means that when the letter S is produced, the vocal cords vibrate in a voiced sound or they don't, in an unvoiced sound. Examples of a voiced S or Z we find in was, fans, or zip. Examples of unvoiced S are so, say, sad. In Spanish, there is only one sound for letter S, and that is the unvoiced S, as in so, regardless of whether the S is at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word. So, let's practice this sound and some words that contains it. Please repeat after me. Sa, sa, se, se, si, si, so, so, su, su, sábana, sábana, seta, seta, silla, silla, sopa, sopa, suyo, suyo. Very good. Letra Z. This letter can be pronounced in two ways depending on the country we are. In Spain, the sound is th, as in English think or thought. In Latin America, however, the letter Z sounds like an S. We can say that the sound th, as in thought, doesn't occur in American Spanish. Now, to get things more complicated, when letter C is before E or I, C is pronounced like Z. That is, fe, fi in Spain, or se, si in American Spanish. It's clear, right? Now, let's practice these sounds, and with the example words we will understand it easily. So, in Spain we would pronounce fa, fa, fe, fe, fi, fi, tho, tho, thu, thu. In Latin America, it would be the same as in letter S. So, sa, se, si, so, su, as we have seen earlier in this video. Now the example words. I will pronounce twice with a Spanish accent and then twice with a Latin American accent. So, please repeat after me. Zapato, 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 zeta, 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 cena, 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 zigzag, 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 cine, 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 zoo, zoo, so, so, sumo, 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 sumo. Very good. Now we go on with an easy sound. Letra L. As you will surely know, there are two L sounds in English. A light sound, as in like or language, and the dark sound as in help or circle. In Spanish, only the light sound is used. So let's practice this sound. Please repeat after me. La, la, le, li, li, lo, lu, lata, letra, libre, local, lunes. We finish this video with the letra ñ. This letter doesn't exist in English, but as you will see, it's not very difficult to pronounce it. It is like the sound N and the sound E pronounced together and quickly. We find a very similar sound in the English word canyon. Let's practice this sound. Please repeat after me. Ña, ña, ñe, ñe, ñi, ñi, ño, ño, ñu, ñu. España, enseñe, albañil, año, pañuelo. Okay friends, that's all for this video. I hope you will have learned the correct pronunciation of these consonant sounds. Thank you for watching and subscribe to this channel for future videos. Hasta pronto!